Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can align text, an image and a shape to the page. The first way that you can align to a page is to move it around, and using the smart guides you can position it, and then hopefully the smart guides will snap in and show you that it is centered or aligned where you want it to be. But I think there's an easy way to align it, and that is to select the item that you want to align. So in this case we've selected the text. Head up to position, and here we can see now we've got arrange. We can select layers and it'll show all the layers on the page, but on the arrange option we can see align to page. So as the text is selected we can align that to the top, we can align it to the middle, we can align it bottom, right and left. We can align it middle, center, and that has centered that now in the middle of our page. We can also do exactly the same with shapes. That works in exactly the same way as does elements. So if you've got a design, then you can use exactly the same way to align your elements to a page. And that is a really quick and easy way that you can align text, images or shapes to a page for ease of designing. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.